Hello, this is Anna Ray Dorman. Today we are reading The Foot Book by Dr. Seuss. Okay, the Foot Book, the Foot Book, the Foot Book. Left foot, right foot, right. Feet in the day, feet in the night. Wet feet, wet foot, dry foot, high foot, low foot. Front feet, back feet, feet. How many different feet you meet? Okay, so I'm just letting you all know we're almost done with the foot book, okay? Slow feet, quick feet. Caleb, please no interruptions. Well feet, sick feet. Okay, focus, Anna. Up feet, down feet, here come clown feet. We're almost done with the book, okay, guys? Small feet, big feet, here come pig feet. Ba ba ba. If you can see it, here's the pig and there's that. Okay, we just need 2 more pages, okay? His feet, her feet, fuzzy fur feet. If you can see it. Okay, and there's just 1 more page to go, okay, guys? In the house and on the street, how many different feet you meet? Pam pa pa da.